Hello and welcome to the PayRules app tutorial series from KlinKode. With PayRules, you can easily hide, sort, or rename payment methods. In this video, we'll show you how to hide a payment method based on the street address using the PayRules app. Let's open the PayRules app. Click the Create Rule button. Now we'll use the search box to find the street address condition and click on Select this combinations where it appears. Now click on the Add a Condition button. Then scroll through the list and select Street Address. Now, you only need to copy street address from the customer's previous shipping address. Do not copy the full address. For example, here, I want to hide payment methods for this customer's order. I will copy the street address from this customer's shipping address section. I will copy street address 3790 Las Vegas Boulevard South. I will use street address 3790 Las Vegas Boulevard South and add it to the rule. Next, we choose If Found and enter street address 3790 Las Vegas Boulevard South. Now, set a name for the rule. Go to Add Payment Method and add the payment method you want to hide. For example, we will add Cash on Delivery and Alipay. Alipay payment method is not available in this list, so we will simply write the payment name manually like Alipay and click on Add Alipay option. Now click the Save button to apply your rule. This means that if the order's address is 3790 Las Vegas Boulevard South, then Cash on Delivery and Alipay will be hidden. Let's go to the checkout page. As you can see, Cash on Delivery and Alipay is visible because the customer street address is not 3790 Las Vegas Boulevard South. Now let's change the street address to 3790 Las Vegas Boulevard South and check again. Yes, the Cash on Delivery and Alipay is not visible anymore. I hope this is clear. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out via live chat or visit our contact page. You'll find both email and WhatsApp support options there. Thanks for using the PayRules app. Happy selling!